it's time for another ABBA English video. My name's Marion and today we're going to focus on writing a postcard. So what is a postcard? These are little cards where you can write a small message from your trip or your holiday, which you will then send or post to your family or friends. It's not the same as a letter. A letter is longer than a postcard. The best thing about a postcard is that it is a great opportunity to write short messages. In this message, you can write the essential information about what you have been up to and what the weather has been like and any news that you might have. It doesn't need to be super detailed, but instead it can be a brief summary of the trip. It's a very good way to show someone that you are thinking of them while you're enjoying yourself on holiday. Here is a postcard my friend sent me. This is from a trip that she took to Barcelona when I was living in the UK. So she sent me this postcard to tell me that she was having a lovely time. I'm very lucky because my friend sends me a lot of lovely postcards when she goes on holiday, and she's very thoughtful. I enjoy receiving them. Often with a postcard, I like to open with a greeting. For example, Dear Mum. That's an example of a greeting that you would write in a letter or a postcard. But since a postcard is usually very informal, you can also open with hello or hi. So in this case, I might actually say, Hi Mum, greetings from beautiful Scotland. Then I would go into detail about my experience. Here are a few things that you can mention in a postcard if you choose to write one. The weather or the climate. Where you are staying. What you like or dislike about the place. A few interesting experiences that you have had while visiting this new place. And some kind words at the end. Then sign off with your name. So here's a little example of a postcard that I would write to my mother from Scotland. Hi Mum, greetings from beautiful Scotland. The weather has been surprisingly pleasant here. The sun has been shining for the whole trip, but it's been a bit windy as well. We have been staying in a lovely flat in the centre of Edinburgh. The city is so beautiful. We have visited a castle, gone on a long walk up the mountain, and even went on a tour to discover all the different types of whiskey that they make here. It was a very interesting tour, but we decided that we don't enjoy drinking whiskey very much. However, we really enjoy the pies they serve for dinner here. I think you'd really like Scotland. I miss you, but I will see you very soon. Lots of love, Marion. As you can see from this example, a postcard is very short. It just gives the person a little idea of what you have been up to. So, why don't you have a go at writing a postcard? What would you write about? Practice your writing skills in the exercise, and I will see you in the next ABBA English video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!